Hi guys, it's Shreya here and welcome back to my channel, My Perfume Diaries. In today's video, we are going to talk about Veneno Scarlet from French Avenue. Now this bottle has been all over the internet because it went viral for obvious reasons, and I finally got it from sentopiaperfumes.com and I tested and tried, and I'm super excited to be talking about this particular perfume in today's video. So let's begin with the review. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया है, you've hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is myperfumediaries_. Come and say hi and follow me there. Let's begin with the video. We'll start off with the packaging. It comes in this gorgeous box, which is very reusable in my perspective because I think I can store my jewelry in this. Very solid box, has like a leather kind of a finish to it. And here you have a serpent which is crawling towards what is written here. Sorry, I was showing you upside down. This is how it is. Veneno Scarlet is mentioned right here and the serpent is coming and attacking there. I personally don't like snakes and serpents, so I don't know, like I love the color combination and everything, but just having serpents on the perfume bottle and the perfume box is not something which I'm very comfortable with. But artistically, I can really appreciate the efforts that are put into this. Okay, so this is how the box is, and once you open it like a cupboard, this is where the perfume is sitting. Let me just fix this in so that you get a complete sensory appeal. So this is how the box and the bottle is placed inside, and then the bottle is also a work of art in my opinion, because if you see it here, you have two serpents which are like coming close to each other, and also the images that I saw around Veneno Scarlet was a man and a woman holding hands. So kind of, I think they are trying to show that this is a seductive kind of a fragrance. I could be wrong, but that's how I'm seeing things on the internet for this particular variant. So maybe there are two snakes for that reason. I don't want to get into that. And on the side of the bottle, there is like Veneno written here. And again, you have like this edged pattern made on it. Again, you can see like a glass serpent here. Lots of serpents, on this bottle. But overall, it looks very gorgeous, very giftable. And it does have a seductive vibe, doesn't it? So that's how the packaging is. It's a 20 out of 10. Packaging and the details are insane. Now this one is a pricey perfume. 100 ml of this bottle is priced for 5,500, and I have purchased this from www.sentopiaperfumes.com. I've showed it in my haul video as well. And on Sentopia, it is currently at discount. It's coming around 3,799 rupees. And you can definitely use my non-affiliated discount coupon code Shreya5 on minimum purchase of 2,000. So that will give you an additional 5% off on your order. So this is an expensive perfume, okay, and I am going to judge it for being expensive, whether it is worth the money or not. So stay tuned till the end of the video. Okay, so this is all about the packaging. You know how the bottle looks like and everything about it. This is how the atomizer is. Nice, and really diffuses the product really well. So a good atomizer you're getting here. Coming to the scent profile, this is a very fruity, sweet, woody, leather-y kind of a fragrance, okay. So this is literally fruits meeting leather, okay. It has a sweet opening of a lot of berries like strawberry, raspberry, blackberry mixing up with caramel. Then has some cedar and cinnamon, which adds to the woodiness, and again a kick of spice here. And then it has tons of notes in the base, like it has patchouli, it has fir, it has vanilla, some more woodsy notes, tonka bean and caramel as well. So has a very sweet opening, has an animalic raw feel to it in between, and then again a sweetness and woodiness is added here. This is a very sweet yet very seductive, very sexy, very loud, very it's a kind of fragrance that enters the room before you enter. So it's a very loud fragrance in my opinion, and this is a beast mode. Like this is a banger. It literally gives me 10 plus hours of longevity. Projection and sillage is amazing on this one. It keeps projecting throughout the wear of this fragrance and literally fades, like the projection fades after 10 hours of the wear. So that's quite crazy to me. This even survives the washing machine. Like if the clothes are put in washing machine and you take it out, after that also you can smell this perfume. So you can see how strong it is. It's not for everyone because this is a very strong, a headache inducing and a fruity leather combination, which is not common, not at all a safe blind buy. It's a very challenging sort of a fragrance in my opinion. If you love fruity girly fragrances, this one is just not for you. If you love mature, sexy, dark, venomous kind of fragrances, this one is the one to go. This Valentine's Day, I am definitely going to wear this one because I want to smell seductive, I want to smell loud, and I want my fragrance to enter the room before I enter. So definitely my profile for the Valentine's Day. If I have to explain this in a more practical way, I would literally say a man who's wearing a leather jacket is going and hugging a petite girl who is very delicate and very feminine and wears only fruity woody fragrances, and he's like hugging her tight, and that mixture of fragrance that you get, that hug, the smell of the hug, that literally smells like Vanilla Scarlet. I think this is one of the best releases of 2025. Very different, very loud, very good in performance, and very unique. So I think this is one of the best releases from 2025. I'm glad that I have it. I love myself a challenging fragrance, and this just ticks all the boxes for me. Also, this is inspired by Venom Incarnate by Stefan Hamberluca, and that's a very expensive fragrance. So I'm glad that we can get a similar scent profile in this price point. My overall rating, you know where this is going, but my overall rating is a whopping 20 out of 10 on this one. The price is justified. At least the discounted price is justified, you guys. Not 5,500, but around 3,800, 900, chalo 4,000, around 4,000. This one is kind of justified. So that's Vanilla Scarlet for you guys. I hope that you liked watching this review. I spent tons and tons of money for reviewing these fragrances for you guys. So please take a moment to appreciate. Hit the like button, do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, do follow me on Instagram, and I'm definitely going to see you in my next video. Bye.